trips that you plan for the next whole week. Been too long for so cheap and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. I've been wondering about anything. Just out of my head.
Have a carry-on. Place it all the way under the seat in front of you.
I can't ignore it.
February, March, April 7th.
2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago.
Hey, Aries, gang gang. Thank you.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna go with what you go through. I wanna be.
Hey, welcome to my first travel vlog. I know this is not the usual setup. You're used to seeing me at the gym, but we are on vacation. We are on vacation for our birthday. I'm an Aries. My birthday was April the 7th, and we are in Antigua. So right now, I'm hungry, so I'm about to do the most bare minimum makeup, nothing too much, throw on a cute little dress, and then I'm gonna head out the door because I'm hungry.
You need to show that you cry.